Hey guys, in today's video, got a little something different for you. I'm going to show you how I made banana bread. I love this recipe because you can kind of just make it really quickly, and you don't have to wait for over-ripened bananas. You can use ripe bananas, which is really cool with this recipe. Really simple, turns out perfect, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. For this recipe, I start with 3 ripe bananas. I peel them and place them in my food processor, but you can smash them any way you want. This is just a little bit quicker for me, and it worked out really well. After adding the smashed bananas into a mixing bowl, I add 4 tablespoons of melted butter. After the butter is added, I add 1 cup of sugar. After adding the butter, sugar, and bananas, I add 1 egg. Then you want to mix. After mixing the contents in the bowl, I add 1 teaspoon of baking soda to 1 1/2 cup of flour. I slowly mix that into my mixing bowl with my bananas. After all the ingredients are mixed, I add 1 teaspoon of salt. After mixing all the ingredients together, take a 9x5 greased loaf pan and pour the contents into the pan. After baking this in the oven for 1 hour at 325, this is what we come out with. Alright guys, I got my banana bread here, put a little bit of butter on it. Snuck into my office, having a little bit of a treat before bed. So it's a shot. It smells really good, and I love banana bread, so I'm going to give this a go here. We'll try it. That is the best banana bread I've ever had. Simple, not a whole lot of ingredients. You can really taste the sweetness of the bananas. It's not overpowering at all. It's nice and just fluffy, how I like banana bread. But it is the best banana bread, and it came out perfect. So this was 325 degrees in my oven for an hour, and it came out great. So give this a shot. I really think you guys would like this one. Alright guys, there you go. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought. You can follow me on Instagram, on Facebook as well. I post on there a lot. So I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you next time.